Well, Kevin, tonight was always going to be a big night for Wales and for Belgium. A valuable 3 points for you. How do you feel?
Well, very happy because obviously the scores went really our way today. It was tough. We knew the beginning is going to be very hard. You know, I played multiple times here, and the crowd is on it, and they're going to be really onto it. But I thought we reacted well after the 1-0, and I think we found our chances at the right time. And yeah, in the end, it was good for us.
Yeah, talk to me about the first penalty that you scored after the start that you had. Just how much of a lifeline did that give you? And like you said, how pleased are you with the way that you reacted after that?
Well, obviously it helps. We knew there was a bit pressure because I thought the first game against Macedonia we played really well, but we didn't win. And then losing position is always going to be hard. But I think we as a team reacted well, and like I said, we found the right opportunities at the right moment, and I thought we did really well as a team.
Unbeaten in the group. It's such a tight and competitive group, Kevin. You've moved top tonight, 2 games to go. Where do you assess Belgium and where you are? Because there's not many games left to play in this group.
Well, I thought after being top in the group now that we would have took it, and obviously we know we have to play against the 2 little ones, but playing Kazakhstan away is always difficult. But we know if we win one of the 2 games, it should be all right for us. So we took a good opportunity these 2 games. So for us, it should be looking good.